The Case of the Destroyed Shoes. Kate Seamus stood in the doorway of the apartment building. The owner of the apartment, Frank Miles, was a famous shoe designer. That morning he had been the victim of a strange crime. "Thanks for coming so quickly, Miss Seamus," Frank said. "I heard about the impressive work you've done on other cases. I could have called the police, but I thought an independent thinker like you might be able to detect something the police would miss." "Thank you, Mr. Miles," said Kate. "Now tell me what happened." "I was recently hired to design a new line of shoes for a local department store," Frank began. "This morning I finished the final shoe. I was very proud of my achievement, so I went out to celebrate. I was gone for approximately 1 hour. When I returned, all the shoes had been destroyed. My door was locked. No windows were broken. What do you think happened? Was it a challenge from another designer?" Kate walked into the room. Pushed against one wall was a couch. The destroyed shoes were scattered in pieces all over the floor. She bent down and looked at one of the pieces. The edge was ragged. It clearly had not been cut with a knife or scissors. "Where were the shoes when you left, Mr. Miles?" Kate asked. "That's the strangest part," Frank answered. "I was afraid someone might try to break in and steal my designs, so I hid all the shoes under the couch. There's no way anyone could have known where to look, and even if they had known, they couldn't have crawled under the couch to get them all out." Kate bent down next to the couch. She looked closely at the carpet. Just as she suspected. Fur. "Mr. Miles," Kate said, "I think I know what happened here, but first let me ask you one question. How big is your dog?" Frank stared at her, astounded. "How did you know I have a dog?" All right, number 1. Why did Frank call Kate instead of the police? 2. How long was Frank gone in the morning? 3. How do you know no one broke into the apartment? 4. Why did Frank hide the shoes under the couch? And 5. Who destroyed the shoes?